Hi, I'm Phil Eby, and we're here today in Berks County near Oley at a beautiful historic stone house. And you can see the original house to the right where actually Mike is working over there right now. That dates back to 1760. And then the addition to the left where the flag is flying, you can see the change in stone there, dates to 1840. So this house has just an incredible amount of history. Eby Exteriors is replacing the windows on this house. And you know, this isn't just something that can be done haphazardly or just like any other house. This needs to be done well and done to maintain the integrity, the historical character of the house. So I want to tell you a little bit more about that. So if we take a look from this side of the house, you can see the various states of repair and change. The window in the bottom right is a brand new Marvin window, fiberglass unit with a wood interior, and you can see the work we did there. Still needs some pointing that needs to happen on the masonry, but just really maintains the historic character of the house, and yet it's going to afford this homeowner a lot more practical function, energy efficiency, and just a long time of not having to worry about their windows. We got Mike Stolzfus and Jensen Lapp over here, two of our A1 installers. They put this window in yesterday and are now replacing the trim around the outside. I should tell you, the trim over here is AZEK PVC, but it just looks like a wood trim, even down to the little corner details that we added, again, to maintain that original historic character. Somebody's been caring for this home for a long time, as you can tell by the integrity of the masonry. It looks great.